Can one acquire the state of perception of there's none else besides him before entering a practical group?
No, you cannot. Spirituality is not an individual practice or pursuit. It is the grasp of the whole and being immersed in the whole. And the way that happens is through the medium that the Creator has given us, and that is through the connection with other people. We are not individuals. We were created as a single creature, but that single creature includes the collective of all people. All those people, that other people that we see, are not other people. They're one, let's call it one soul. That you that you think is you is not you. It is the collective. And unless we consciously become involved in a way in which we learn how to break down the separation between us, we're not doing any real work to begin to approach the unity of bestowal behind reality. This happens through our relation with other people, because that's the most practical place where egoism, that force of concealment, functions and can be broken. It's in our relation with other people. So we sometimes will receive awakenings, will perceive things momentarily, bits of it. And, the thing is that any little bit of light and awareness that comes to a person is so much more powerful than normal perception in the way that we live, that it seems like we're getting the entire picture. Of course, we're not, because that perception is immeasurably larger than any particular awakening. And you need to find the method of sustaining that, which is not a steady state. It's actually a state of changing between ups and downs, connections and disconnections, and understanding how that is used by nature, by the Creator, in order to advance us. And that is the state. The steady state is the ability to navigate the connection, the loss of connection, the desire for a greater perception, and then the filling of that. And this process goes on over and over and over again, and it happens in relation to other people, because you can't just be in relationship with the Creator. That's abstract. It's mostly stuff that we're making up. The challenge comes, look, I love the Creator, sure, because it's not a real thing for me challenging me. But love of the Creator is only found through love of others. And so that's why we eventually learn to do this work with other people, because that's the door that leads to the Creator. Love your friend as yourself. That's the gate to spirituality.